Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, device, cable, and access to settings. First, open Settings and go to About Phone. If developer options are hidden, tap build number 7 times to enable them. If developer options already appear, move directly to it. Once done, return to the main settings screen. Make sure you unlock your phone and accept any security prompts. This gets you to the place where USB debugging is controlled, so you can turn it off safely in the next step. You should now find developer options under System or Additional Settings. Scroll to USB debugging and toggle it off. When a confirmation appears, accept it to stop a DB connections. Once toggled, inspect the list of authorized computers or apps and choose Revoke USB debugging authorizations if you want to remove prior permissions. Make sure to exit developer options to keep settings. This prevents new ADB sessions and closes existing debug channels, restoring typical security behavior without changing other developer settings. You finish by rebooting the device so the change fully applies to any background services. After restart, verify USB debugging is off in developer options. If your computer still establishes a debug connection, revoke USB debugging authorizations and disconnect, then reconnect the cable. Make sure debugging remains off. If you prefer to hide developer options, open Settings and toggle developer options off at the top of that screen. If problems persist, check for device-specific security apps that might re-enable debug features.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.